Hey guys, just before the video starts, I wanted to tell you that I changed my name. You might have noticed it, and the reason for that is that I think that the name Pat is just not as easily recognizable, and you don't really find my channel when it's just called Pat. And considering I usually cover speakers on my channel, I thought the name Speaker Pat might fit. So yeah, that's that. And now to the video. Hello guys, and welcome to another video on my channel. Today I finally got around to test my system, and this system consists of a pair of Canton Plus GX, a pair of Panasonic PMX70, and a custom self-made center channel, which is made of two Sonos Play 3 woofers, a Philips tweeter, and a Philips midwoofer. The main source of bass is my DIY 10-inch Philips PXS subwoofer in a 54-liter enclosure tuned to around 30 Hz. Its frequency range is about 27 Hz to 120 Hz. This is where the crossover point to the satellites is, and this is perfect for listening to all kinds of music and also for watching movies. I am pretty happy with this system, although I had to EQ it a lot because of my room. For example, 65 Hz was, well, let's say 55 to 65 Hz was pretty cut down, and there was a big hump in 35 Hz, so there was some EQing needed, but overall this system sounds pretty good. Anyways, I'd say this was enough talking, and you should listen to the system for yourself. It has been recorded with an Olympus LS11 stereo recorder. I hope you enjoy.